Hello, Conscious Life community. Welcome to Friday Frequency Decrees. It's another Friday today, and here we are again. We will be decreeing today in our AM Adorations and Affirmations book, as we usually do. I've got some special things to share today, and today we are on page 72. It's the second decree from the bottom, and I'm going to read it a couple of times, and then we're going to talk for just a bit. I am the cleansing process, always active in my mind and my body, consuming all imperfection and revealing the purity I am. Oh, this is big. I am the cleansing process, always active in my mind and my body, consuming all imperfection and revealing the purity I am. I'll say it one more time and then we'll chat. I am the two words, the name of God. I is God, am is action, God in action. I am your cleansing process, always active in my mind and body, consuming all imperfection, not some, all imperfection, and revealing the purity I am. How many of us feel pure? How many of us feel honored? And we get to govern our world. We get to speak our purity into existence. We can agree with downscale, it's not right or wrong, and we get to speak our purity into existence. Purity is not something we have to get or attain or find, or anything opposite of purity is not anything we have to get rid of. It's God's job. And we already are pure vessels of God. And all we do is agree with God in us. As I was choosing our decree today, I am an essential oil user, and I immediately thought of my purification oil. I get to support my body in purifying. At the same time, I support my consciousness in my realm, in my world. I get to bring my frequency into being in my body by using my purification oil, which I can apply, I can put in my diffuser, I can smell all the different things. So I get to purify my physical frame. At the same time, I'm purifying my frequency, my world around me with my spiritually conscious words. Our decrees are spiritually guided, conscious words. And this what brings them into action. So now, as I smell my purification oil, and I absolutely love my purification oil, and I just smell and I remember my purity within me, my God already in me. So let's read again. Bottom of page 72, second one from the bottom. I am the cleansing process, always active in my mind and body, consuming all imperfection and revealing the purity I am. I smell my oil and I speak my decree. I am the cleansing process, always active in my mind and body, consuming all imperfection and revealing the purity I am. You may be saying to yourself, internal dialogue may be coming in. You may be saying to yourself, oh, if you knew the things, it doesn't matter. God knows all the things. And you get to allow yourself to feel your full purity because you are pure. And you get to remember who you are. You get to remember your purity. I am the cleansing process, always active in my mind and body, consuming all imperfection and revealing the purity I am. Thanks for joining me. Have a beautifully awesome day. Love and grace to you on your journey as you move forward. And remember, you are already pure.